12:18 on the clock at an early Wednesday afternoon. The glassy surface of Lake Michigan never, ever disappoints. AllWebInfused.com. All right, we're talking about Florence. First, the probability of 55-plus mile-per-hour winds. It certainly looms large. Myrtle Beach all the way to Wilmington and Morehead City. And remember, top winds right now are clocked at about 130 miles per hour. Projected rainfall, this will actually run you all the way into Monday. The problem with Florence is its forward speed really slowing down, and then it will crawl along North Carolina and down across South Carolina right at the coast. In excess of 26 inches in Wilmington. Myrtle Beach checking in with close to 11 inches. Jacksonville, that's the northeast side of Wilmington, better than 17 inches of rain. So aforementioned top winds 130 miles per hour, movement northwest 15 miles per hour, about 485 miles from Wilmington, North Carolina, 520 miles away from Myrtle Beach. We have a potential landfall Friday morning and another one Saturday morning. Now, whether that ends up being in North Carolina or South Carolina, can't resolve that just yet. Hurricane warnings, they're in place till now late Saturday morning. There are tropical storm warnings up toward Norfolk, the Virginia border. We have hurricane watches through late Saturday morning down toward Charleston. It's the red, of course, of greatest concern are hurricane warnings. 9 to 13-foot storm surge. Rainfall will exceed 30 inches in some cases. European model, here we go. Tomorrow midday, we're looking really at tomorrow night and early Friday. It's so close to Wilmington. And again, that Jacksonville area. Now, what happens Friday, it almost just slides or brushes right down toward Wilmington and angles toward Myrtle Beach. So it might not actually make a landfall until Saturday. Details, of course, will resolve as we get a little bit closer to the end of the week. Okay, let's take you back to home now. We've got mid-80s on Saturday, partly sunny skies, actually increasing our cloud cover related to moisture from Florence. The mid-80s on Sunday. Well, they're coming with humidity, so both of these will function like the upper 80s. Back to school, back to work tomorrow morning. Hour-by-hour shows, upper 50s. We've got more fog. Midday tomorrow, lower and middle 70s. End of the day tomorrow, we're actually forecasting about 80 degrees, so warmer than what you see here. Slip you into Thursday night and early Friday. Back to school one more time, beginning in the slightly warmer lower 60s. Next couple of days, progressively or incrementally warming. There's your 82 on Friday. And how about our Live Eye Camera Network on a very peaceful early Wednesday afternoon? Cloudless sky in Allegan. Old Iron Bridge. We love the Old Iron Bridge. Well, Allegan right now, you're at 73. Kalamazoo and Battle Creek and Sturgis, yes and yes and yes. And as far as what's happening at the lakeshore, not much, and that's just right. South to southwest winds, 10 miles per hour or less. Still have that liberal or large water temperature range, 47 to 64. Continuing to watch Florence this afternoon. Next update from the National Hurricane Center is 2 p.m. out of Miami. Our local weather, well, you just can't beat it. Tonight we have 58 degrees and more fog, so we'll be watching that starting at 4:30 tomorrow morning. You know, we do see a couple of chances of rain. Some rain late Monday, actually, from what's left over of Florence. Another system, a front to our north and west, bringing us some storms on Tuesday.
We're talking about 80s, but in that Allegan shot, were the leaves changing a little bit? Or are my eyes playing tricks on me?
Could be sign of the times, maybe a touch.
Almost mid-September.
Yeah.
Hey, who cares? We got mid-80s coming.
This
We'll worry
is true.
about that stuff later. Thank you, Jeff. In this week's Adopt Today segment, we'd like to introduce you to Aurora. The one-year-old cat described as very curious and energetic. She's also very outgoing, not scared of anything. Would do just fine in a house with dogs. If you'd like to give Aurora a forever home, please call the SPCA of Southwest Michigan. We'll be right back.